chicken master.
Oh, this is the fried chicken
Fried
master.
chicken master.
Ah, okay. Must get to know him.
Best in Penang, fried chicken master.
Oh, look at him.
Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
We are walking from the back. There is actually a car park at the back of Clear. So Clear is right in front of us. Almost all nasi kandar area, the places that I went recently, all fully queued. A lot of people. And this line that I'm seeing right now is probably one of the shortest. I tried to go to Din Maju. I think it was like 100 people queuing there. So scary. I don't know how long I have to wait. So this is the Penang Road leading to Clear. So if you ask me as a tourist, I think the top 3 nasi kandar in Penang is Din Maju, Hamidia and also Clear. This is, I think most tourists will know these 3. So which is number 1? I think everyone has their number 1. So no right or wrong, just your personal preference. I went Hamidia. Hamidia is over 100 years shop, very good. I went there yesterday. I think I queued for about 40 minutes. Just now I tried to go to Din Maju, but over 100 people queuing, I give up. So I come to Clear. So Clear now, I think we have probably about 20, 30 people queuing. Still okay. Should be fine. So let's queue. They got complimentary payung umbrella. Should I get one? This is the rice. I was told nasi kandar's rice, they cook a little bit special. They use a lot of water to cook, to boil until it is almost fully cooked. Then after which they will actually remove most of the water and off the fire and just let it simmer until it is fully cooked. This is what I was told, and this is why the reason why the nasi kandar actually, the nasi itself, the white rice itself is actually can soak out more curry later. That's the secret. Oh, cantik lah.
Cantik macam bunga.
Macam bunga.
White chicken.
White chicken. Yes. signature fried chicken. Cantik lah. Really nice. Oh, so this is the marinated one. Wow. Newly fried, freshly fried. Panas, panas.
Yes.
Panas, panas. Fried chicken master. Oh, this is the fried chicken master.
Chicken master.
Ah, okay. Must get to know him.
Best in Penang. Fried chicken master.
Oh, look at this. So you will normally, after queuing up, you will order from here. After which, you will make the payment over here. Here will tell you how much. Then you make the payment. They used to have a boss who knows how to speak Hokkien and Cantonese. Can't really see him today.
Okay, thank you, boss.
Okay. Kasih chicken wing. Itu chicken wing. Ada panas ya. Telur masin.
Telur masin dan ini nama apa ni?
Telur dadar.
Kuah campur tak?
Dua ayam
Ini itu
timun.
timun dengan okra. Itu kuah campur.
Kuah daging boleh tak?
Boleh, boleh.
Boleh ya?
Oh, paling kecilnya itu ikan kepala berapa?
Paling kecil 45 lah dalam.
Paling kecil 45 ah.
Tak, kepala ikan ada kuah merah.
Satu orang susah makan sikit lah.
8,5 satu.
Oh.
Tak tahu sana kecil atau tak?
You ada kari ikan sini ah?
Potong kan?
Kari ikan saja. Ambil kari ikan kecilnya satu.
Satu lah. Ini kuah cakari mix lah.
Boleh.
Kari ikan telur asin tak?
Boleh ah, boleh asingkan.
Boleh. Lagi apa?
Cili-cili.
Okey, ikan satu kan?
Okay.
Kari minum dulu tak?
Your fish head curry is nice, but it's too big for me. One person, so I only order a fish cutlet. This is the right way of eating nasi kandar. The messier, the better. Flooded sponges with all the gravy, different kinds of gravy, and of course, for those who doesn't eat.
You order fish head.
No, I did not. For those who doesn't eat beef, they will ask you whether you will you mind adding the beef gravy or not. I don't know why I can't really get this flavor from in KL. I think their rempah is really better. Pity, I'm only one person. I can't order the fish head curry, so I can order fish cutlet. So you will taste very good. Their fried chicken quite famous also. Many people will definitely order the blend okra. This is the salted egg. I also order some fresh veggie salad, acar to clear the gelatinous. Really good, really good. So I'm going to continue eating it. cakap lagi ya. Ini punya macam punya size berapa? Ini besar lah.
This one very cheap only in Penang. Only for 130 ringgit.
130. Yeah, I was told just now the smaller one is actually about 45. Wow, it's really huge lah. Look at my hand.
You see the tip?
It's much bigger than my hand. Thank you,
You
boss.
can eat, 10 people also can eat.
10 people also can, huh?
If really crazy eat fish head curry, 1 people also can.
Okay, thank you. There actually used to be the older boss, the older principal, who can speak Cantonese and who always shouted "line clear" after he used the whistle. So that is actually very interesting, but you don't get to see anymore. Just now I was asking, where's that uncle? She said, I was told that he's not very healthy, so no more coming. But he's very old already. So anyway, good food, friendly service, okay for Appa.